Hey everybody, this is Chip in Florida. I'm just doing another video here to help you promote your ceology business. Today we're going to learn how to download video from YouTube. We're going to use a program called the YouTube Clip Extractor. It's pretty easy to do. You just go to clipextractor.com and download the program. The basic program is free. I've already got the program loaded, so I'm just going to show you this is what the page looks like. I'm just going to click on this button here to get it downloaded. It'll walk you through the procedure. It's pretty easy. It's basic stuff. Then I've already got it loaded, so I'm just going to cancel out of that. And then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to download a video. We're going to do is we're going to pick a video that we're going to use to make our own little commercial for Dish Network. This is the one I want to use. This one's pretty open-ended, so it's going to be easy to modify to add your information to it. I'm going to play it, and then we're going to go up here. This is what you're going to end up with a toolbar for the clip extractor up here at the top. And we're just going to, as the video is playing, we're just going to hit on that clip extractor button, and that's going to allow us to download that particular video to our laptop so that we can modify it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to my desktop so that I can find it easily by just clicking on the button down here on the bottom where the location where I'm going to send the file to. And then, like I said, I'm going to send it to desktop because when I'm done with it, I'm not going to keep it. I'm just going to delete it, and I'm just going to save the one that I've modified. And then we're just going to go ahead and download that. It's going to take a few minutes for it to process. And the reason I'm doing this basically is this will give you an opportunity to, YouTube can give you an embedded code that you can use to paste these video clips onto websites or ad sites, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Okay, looks like it's starting to load now, so just take a few minutes from here. Now, right now this video is being downloaded into my laptop, and it looks like it's about done. And once that's done, I'll show you what to do next. It looks like we're about there. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to save it to the computer, and what it'll do is it'll automatically start playing once you do that. And this isn't actually being played from YouTube. This is being played from your laptop. So we're just going to cancel out of that. We'll cancel out of this, and then we're going to go next to what I call the Movie Maker. It's a program that's in most of your Windows programs. I have Windows Vista. You're going to find most of the late model Windows programs it's going to be in. And I'm going to import the video from that I just downloaded off of YouTube. And like I said, I put it on desktop, so I'm just going to find it over here on the desktop. And then we'll just scroll down until we find it. There it is. And then, okay, so now I'm going to import it so we have it there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it down to the little video bar. This is going to start it so that we can start seeing what the video looks like. We're going to hit the play button, and you'll see this is the video that you've downloaded from YouTube. This is just just untouched, just the way it comes off of YouTube. What I'm going to do is when I get to the point where it stops to have the where you it talks about adding your telephone information, we're just going to stop the program. I'm going to pause it there, and I'll show you what to do there. You'll see that you get all your promo information, the showtime, the free HD. We're going to stop it right there, and we're going to come over here, and you'll see a little bar over here where you can add some titles. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it over the clip here. So it's what we type in this box is going to end up over on top of the video clip, so it's going to show over the top of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the 800 number in for the Dish Network, and we're going to put that in the top bar, top box. And what will happen is you see it on the side there, it's showing over the little picture of what it is. I'm going to use my little cheater box here so I don't remember the phone number. And then we'll go ahead and put the number in, and you'll see it'll show up on the side over the little box here to the right. And it'll show the phone number. There you go, there's the phone number. And of course you want to add your promo code, so we're going on the second bar there, and we're going to add in the promo code. And then once you get that added in, you're going to save it. And there you go. And now when you play out the rest of the video, it's going to show on the video clip. See, there we go. We hit the play button again. See, there it goes. It just plays the number and then your promo code. Now, of course, you see it kind of ran out a little short, but we can extend that. What we're going to do is we're going to move the bar back to the beginning of the phone number, and then we'll come down to the phone number. We're going to stretch it out just a little bit until it reaches the end of the thing. We'll just click on that to be sure that that worked. There we go. Now you'll see the phone number, and your promo code extends out to the end of the commercial. There we go. So now we're done there. So we're going to publish the movie to the computer as it's finished up. And you'll just go ahead and hit continue there. And then we're going to name the movie. I'm going to just call it Dish Promo. Just to save it as a file there. This is pretty simple stuff. You do this a couple times, you're just going to find that it's pretty easy to do. So here we go. We're going to save it, and we're going to continue. And now it's just going to take a few minutes to download onto the computer. It's just going to make the changes, and so that they can be saved to the computer. That's going to create its own file. And then what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to take this video with your new information, with your phone number and with your promo code, and we're going to be able to upload that back onto YouTube. And then the YouTube will give you an embedded code that you can use to post it on websites or ads. I'm going to show you how to do it on the back page. It's pretty easy to do. You can't put video ads on Craigslist because they have a blocking for videos, but you can do it on some of the other sites. So we're going to go here, we're going to click out of that, we're going to minimize down there, and now we're going to upload the video that you just created up to YouTube. Now if you have an account, you can sign in there if you have your own YouTube channel, or you can just hit the upload button, and there you go, and then you'll see the little upload button, the little yellow button there, and you go ahead and start. You find the video that you just created, and we're just going to go over here to the files, and go down to my video files, and then we'll start to upload this to YouTube. Now this will take a few minutes, of course, depending on your connection and how quickly it'll do that. But you're going to find that this is pretty simple stuff. People upload videos to YouTube all the time. You've probably done it yourself. It's not very difficult. Now while it's loading, I'm going to put in the description of what it is. I'm just going to put a brief description. It's video to promote Ceology's products and services, in this case Dish Network. And then you'll have a tagline down below there, and the tagline, when people are looking for something on YouTube, it's going to be searched for certain keywords, and so I'm going to put like Dish, Ceology. I'm going to put my username ceobuilders because I've got a couple of videos posted into that, so I'm just going to group them together with that. So when people are searching on YouTube, and if they're searching Ceology or Dish or for your username, it's automatically going to pull up your videos there. So as you can see, it's loading up there, just about done. And then at the top there, you'll see a little green bar, and that's going to actually be the address that YouTube is going to assign to your video. And then we'll be able to click on that and bring it up. We're going to go ahead and save the changes. Of course, we're going to have to categorize it. I should put technology there, and then we're going to go ahead and save everything. Okay, now that it's saved, we'll go up and we'll hit the little green bar, and it'll take us to the page where YouTube has put our video at. Here we go. There's the little box, and we'll just click on that, and that's probably going to open a separate window for that, I believe. There we go. There we go. This is our new window, and it's going to open up the page with our new video on there, all downloaded on YouTube. Just give it a minute to load up there. Now see, this is your Dish commercial. This is the one that you've just created on your computer with your information. And see, there you go. And you'll see when it gets to the end, it's going to have all your phone number, and it's going to have your promo code on it. Now what we're going to do with that, of course, is we're going to take the embedded code that YouTube gives you so that you can post it on websites, or you can put it on YouTube, or actually not YouTube, but Facebook or some of your social sites. But we're going to see there's your information right there. There's your phone number, and there's your promo code. So we're going to come down. We know everything's working good. We're going to go ahead and get that embedded code. We're going to hit the embed button. It's going to give you the code. We're going to copy and paste it. We want to be sure that none of the links there for other related videos is activated. So we're just go ahead and copy and paste. Copy it. And then we're going to go here to back page. Now this is a Backpage is like Craigslist. It's a little, maybe not as popular, but it does allow you to put embedded video into your ads. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here. I'm just going to go to the first one here in Alabama, and we're just going to go ahead in the household section, and we're going to go ahead and hit the post button. Pretty easy stuff to do. It's pretty self-explanatory. And we'll just go up here, take the first one on the list, first city. Now the thing about Backpage is they're pretty lenient as far as, as long as you don't overpost in the same area, they're pretty lenient. They're not as picky as Craigslist is. And we're just gonna put an ad like in the top section here. We'll just put something there, top best value in home entertainment or something like that, just to gets people's attention. I'm not gonna put anything in the price box. The video shows the pricing information that they need, so you're not going to need that. Now the thing about Backpage is this, instead of just typing out an ad, this will accept HTML code, but in order to do that, you got to put the brackets, the bracket HTML and then the other bracket, and then you're going to paste your HTML code from your YouTube embed code, and then you got to put the little bracket again. You got to put a slash HTML and then another bracket, and that way the page knows that you're putting HTML code onto the page, so that it shows up as a video and not a bunch of code. And then you got to put in your email address twice, so that they know who's posting the ad. And if anybody responds to it, they'll send a message to your email account, or in this case, they also have your phone number, your 800 number on there, so they can call directly. They can place an order directly, and give you a promo code. Now, the next thing's going to happen is you're going to get the little security box. You're going to fill out the little security box with the little code that they use to protect themselves there. And once you get that filled out, it's going to tell you to check your email for a link to activate the ad. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in the security code, and then we'll hit the little continue button, and then it will pretty much be done on this site, and then we'll have to go to our email to finish it up. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and then we're ready for the next part. So now we just got to check our email. So we'll go over here to the email, open that up, and you can see the link there from Backpage. We're going to open that up, and then we'll hit the link. And there we go. It's going to open up a box. I'm going to open up a big page so you can see what it looks like. And this is pretty much what your ad's going to look like. This is just if you have to go back in and edit it for anything reason. But underneath the line there, this is what your ad's going to look like. And then you're just going to click on the button. Somebody opens your ad, they can just click on the button and watch your little commercial. And as you see, it goes right through from beginning to end. And now you have your own YouTube Dish Network Ceology promotional video on Backpage. And again, you can post this on any websites you may have, or you could post it on Facebook or anything like that if you like, just by using the embedded code. And then, like I said, at the end there, you'll see you've got all your information, your 800 number, and then there's your promo code, so you're good to go. So I hope this is helpful to you. And again, we hope we all stick together and are able to make this a profitable business for everyone. Thanks again. This is Chip in Florida.